Hey girl, it's Kim, and no, not the little one. All right, so let's get into these clip-ins, 100% human hair. I do have my hair currently cut into a bob, so as you can see, it is into three small ponytails with the ends secured with that gold clip. I start with two clips at the bottom, working my way up into longer pieces. This piece right here currently has four clips on it, so I can secure it nicely on my head. I did go ahead and put my edges back into the ponytails. I'm trying to grow out my edges, so I didn't want to bring the clip-ins all the way to the front of my head because I don't want anything pulling on them. I'm trying to grow out my hair this year and avoid a bunch of extra heat, so let's just try these clip-ins. All right, and this piece right here, I did end up moving it back some because I felt like it was a little bit into the leave out that I left out. All right, so I go ahead and I part some of this hair, add in a two-piece clip-in set, as you can see. And I do have some gray pieces of hair that I absolutely adore. For me, gray hair just signals like, I mean, I'm not young, but I'm not too old, but like I'm a woman, so don't play with me. You know what I mean. So yeah, I will not be covering that up. I love my gray hair. And I absolutely loves a middle part. All right, so I'm going to curl the ends of my real hair. All right, gonna move on to the other side. I'm gonna also clip in a two-piece after I curl this piece. Beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl this piece here. I did leave some pieces of my real hair to go back to cover up those back pieces of tracks. And also, don't bump the ends of your hair in the back as hard as I did, just so that your hair can blend in nicely. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off these clips. It came out so good. Aww. All right, so once I do get all of these clips out of my head, I'm gonna go ahead and comb through my hair, try to blend it better. All right. Blending, looking great. And you can wear this in a ponytail with a clip. You can wear it down, whatever you choose. All right, girl, love you. Bye.